Young Comrade Shebeja film na dom dodo no e wo ho ne 2026 yem budget no wo mo bonus se pa kiremo se we de adi twam wo hwe mresanti ni a budget a akono pa ni won kiremu eni
Dom Kasee Ghana Mashebeja fie ni ebo abanyi abaso pa won mo kiremu dia afempino ne duonu nsia kon mo sika wode bae no eyade a ede enida so pina ene ebro manfo a ene omanfo butumu wobeti pa se enema ekoyie ebra won mo eya no baba ye ede afa eye budget ho ena Mashebeja ni de mo manfo wajra pa kletu seidu da pila echese.
Mr. Speaker, let me also remind the former finance minister that one of the bad policies that they took was to cap all our statutory funds, thereby staffing get fund of resources, staffing district assembly common funds, staffing NHIA of funds. Mr. Speaker, today, under this government, all these statutory funds have been uncapped, particularly district assembly common fund. Mr. Speaker, district assembly common fund under Atoba Forsen and President Mahama is performing wonders. 80% of common fund is being sent to the district assemblies.
Ehona Mashebeja ni ono so karaga ana ono na ye kanega na foto sam for Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam enso edin sembusi etraban no enim.
The 3.6% of GDP for 2026 is lower than the 4.6% of GDP we did in 2024. Mr. Speaker, generally, capital investment is low in Ghana, and it's not just with the NDC. It happened with us, even though our figure was higher. It happened with previous government. That is not good if we have to build the long-term sustainability of our economy. We need to be serious as a country to invest, to do more capital investment, because that is what will generate growth, that is what will generate the jobs. Mr. Speaker, having said this, the minister talked about stability, but I know that economic stability should drive growth. It should drive growth. Unfortunately, his estimate for growth for 2026 was put at 4.8%. Mr. Speaker, when the economy has stabilized, you are projecting 4.8%. At the time you said the economy was criminally managed,